signature event of National Bullying Prevention Month. How do you participate, you may ask? Well, I'll just leave that part to the pros. Off to you, Aileen and Jim.
That's right, you guys. Today is Unity Day.
In order to participate in Unity Day, individuals, schools, communities, and businesses around the world wear or display orange to show support for students who have been bullied.
Students who experience bullying are at increased risk for poor school adjustment, sleep difficulties, anxiety, and depression.
In fact, about 4,400 young people commit suicide each year, but many more attempt suicide.
That's right. In order to bring awareness to bullying and preventing it, kids at a local high school made this video.
Hey you! What's up, new girl? Hey you! What's up, new girl? You're so short. How'd you even make it to high school, little dummy?
I don't even know you.
Hey, leave her alone! What are you doing?
Don't bully her.
What?
Are you okay, Kaylee?
It's just a joke. Relax.
It's not a joke. Bullying isn't a joke. You shouldn't make fun of someone just because they're different.
That was a very good video. And that bully was a really good actor, if I had to say so myself. I'm being told that our field reporter, Kareem, is with the very students from the video.
That's right, Jeremy. I managed to contact the school and they allowed us to interview the two girls. Tell us about yourself, girls.
I'm Haley, I was the victim in the video.
I'm RJ. I'm the one who stood up to the bully.
The rest of them couldn't be here today due to being busy, so...
That's okay. Can you guys tell me what made you want to do this video and what its purpose was about?
Okay, so we did this video because we wanted to show the school that it's not okay to bully, even if it is a joke.
And we wanted to encourage students to stand up against bullying.
Wow, that's incredible. Well, that's all the time we have for today. Thank you, girls. But it's back to you in the studio.
Thank you, Kareem. And don't forget,
Make it orange and make it end. Unite against bullying.